Injuries to the Achilles tendon are incredibly common in long-distance runners. Although there are subtle differences between Achilles tendon injuries, Achilles tendonitis, also referred to as Achilles tendinopathy, is one of the marathon runner's worst injuries. So if you're experiencing tenderness at the bottom of the calf or top of the heel, here are some of the symptoms that indicate you might have Achilles tendonitis. The symptoms of Achilles tendonitis are fairly specific. They include a tender Achilles tendon, particularly when you touch it. You'll find your tendon is stiff or feels tight, particularly first thing in the morning. It hurts when you stand on tiptoe, and as you'd expect, it's pretty sore when you run. The Achilles tendon is a very thick and incredibly strong tendon that connects the calf muscle to the heel. Throughout your training, it has worked incredibly hard. A sudden increase in running distance or intensity can place the Achilles tendon under a huge amount of stress that it's just simply not used to. This in turn can initiate an inflammatory response and a breakdown of the tendon fibers. However, it's muscular imbalances in the lower leg, such as tight calf muscles, that are often a major cause of Achilles tendon injuries and Achilles tendonitis. Achilles tendonitis is a really stubborn injury, and if left untreated, can bug you for weeks or even months. So what can you do to avoid getting this nasty injury or help alleviate your current symptoms? Firstly, make sure you're wearing the correct shoes for your running gait. Secondly, make sure you warm up really well before a training run. Thirdly, make sure you stretch really well both before and after a run. And finally, try to avoid any sudden increases in running intensity. Although Achilles tendon injuries can sometimes be managed with ice and stretching, in many cases it's strongly advised that you seek professional guidance from a physiotherapist. They will then prescribe you the correct stretching and strengthening exercises for you to do at home based on the nature and presentation of your Achilles injury. Be patient though. Achilles tendon rehab can take weeks, so listen to the advice and do the exercises you're prescribed.